Hot pop-off alátàrí tí ò bá dùn má sanwó rèé. Hot pop-off. This funny sound here, it changed my life. Let me tell you how. 6 years ago, I just finished my NYSC. I was clueless about life, but one thing was certain. I was going to sell puff-puff. Puff-puff ke, asao. So I had 8 months experience at a puff-puff shop in Ijebu-Ode, where we sold 3 bags of puff-puff every single day. After NYSC, I kept experimenting until I got my own perfect recipe. I was like, omo, them go collect, them go take. So I took a stand at Ota Market in Ogun State. But day after day, people passed me like I was not even there. I would go home with plenty leftover puff-puff. That was where I learned how to eat puff-puff with Gary. I discovered that puff-puff and pap is a perfect combo. Even puff-puff and beans, no be bad combo. Chai! But still, nobody noticed me until a particular day, a woman tasted my puff-puff and she was like, wow, did you just open today? I said, Auntie, I've been here for over 6 months. That day, it clicked. I was present, but nobody saw me. So we came up with the idea. Hot puff-puff alátàrí tí ò bá dùn má sanwó rèé. Hot puff-puff. Which means that this is hot puff-puff, and if it is not tasty, please do not pay. People laughed, but it drew attention. They tried it out, and just like that, my sales blew up 5 times what I was making before. I learned something powerful here. If you are really good at what you do, don't be quiet. Be loud about it. Be bold about it. They might laugh at you now, but your pocket will definitely laugh to the bank. See you next time. Bye-bye.